In front of me is Motorola Moto G60, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service and select Google Password Manager. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check. Enter your current login method and use this gear next to your, this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!